Hi, I'm Anna from Jumprope, and I'm here to show you how easy it is to make your first recipe that you can then share to Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and more.
Jumprope helps you break your tutorial down into engaging and easy to follow steps. Shoot your tutorial right in the app or upload a video from your camera roll. If you upload one long video, you can clip the steps. We have easy to use editing tools that you'll need right in the app, like speed, voiceover, and filters. Use them to make your content super engaging. Make your tutorial match your personal brand and style by picking colors and fonts, and choose from over 200 songs to accompany your content. Make sure to list the products you use and where to buy them. If you have affiliate codes, put them in the links. Once you hit publish, the app creates vertical, square, horizontal, and other videos for you that are perfect for sharing on any social platform. No more re-editing the same content. You can get several options for each format. Only when you're ready, share your tutorial from Jumprope to Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, and more, and get ready to get amazing feedback from your community.
I can't wait to see what you create on the app, and if you need any help, feel free to DM us or chat us right here on the app.